Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to tip on Just Eat. When placing your order, go to checkout and choose a card or digital payment method like Apple Pay, Google Pay, or PayPal. On the payment screen, you'll see tip options with suggested amounts, or you can enter a custom tip. In some regions, tipping after the order may be limited, but you might see an option to rate your delivery and add a tip once it's completed. If you don't see a tipping option in the app, cash is a great alternative. Handing cash directly to the driver ensures they receive the full tip. And that's it. That's how to tip on Just Eat. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.